Have you ever had to stand and just watch while your life was like a game on your Xbox? Welcome to the club, I'm the president. We're almost like a nation of fools, where public spending's cut down to naught. We're clutching at invisible straws, and no one's here to tell where they lead to. Who's to tell us who's in control? Never the place to be. Why not surf on the surface with me? It's easy and won't ruin your makeup. Don't bother with the deep end anymore. I got happiness served on a plate for you. That old bliss on a table for two. And nothing in the water to weigh you down. Just throw out all your control. I'm not in control. I seem to be the north. Our lives are a river where we are swimming frantically, while you're just trying to take control. We fail to take control. Fail to swim ashore. It's all up in the air, and I'd much rather go down river than go down like a lead balloon. I never claim the answer, but I know what it's not. Let go and let in a little modulation and lift you up.